What's good people? You already know what time it is. Brad with Mo for Less. Sorry, my fans back there making noise. Alright, man. The real fix to the 37 Vanguard starting situation is a starter relay kit. Alright? So, even with the other video I had where I soldered everything and did all that crazy crap, probably 50 hours later, the starter started acting up again, so I ended up ordering another one. I actually got a $60 starter off Amazon that works with the Vanguard. Go look it up. But anyway, I'm making this video to tell y'all that if you get a starter relay kit and add it to your Vanguard, it will eliminate the issue. I'm going to show you what it is so you can just order it off of Amazon. Let me set my phone down real quick. But it's this thing right here. This thing right here. Starter relay kit. Alright. This is my 72-inch ZK. It's down right now for the idler arm. It's on order, but it's got the Vanguard on it, and this relay kit is actually going to go on this one. I've already got one on my other on my beast. You can't really see it, but dang, I need a light. Oh. You see in there, you can see that I got the kit hooked up right here. It's running on down to the starter. I'm gonna make a video on how to install these things, because if you know how to mess with any type of electrical stuff, it's easy peasy stuff. All you have to do is kind of secure this box somewhere. It's got all the wiring, it's got the ground wire to ground it out. Put one of these on your Vanguard starter and it will eliminate the clunking, the bad starting situation. I promise. I have not had a starting issue since I added this starter relay kit. Get you one of these off Amazon, and I promise you'll never have that problem again. Make sure you install it properly. Make sure you put it on right though. I'll make a video on how I installed the one on my 72, but if you know anything, get you one of these. It's gonna work. Hey, you learned anything today about the Vanguards? Like, subscribe. I will be making more videos. Sorry I couldn't have a video of me doing this, but if you know how to do it, you won't be disappointed, I promise. Next video coming soon.